Classicism refers to a broad artistic and intellectual movement that emerged in Western culture during the 17th and 18th century. It draws inspiration from the art, literature, and ideals of ancient Greece and Rome, particularly the works of Greek and Roman philosophers, playwrights, and architects. In the realm of visual arts, classicism emphasized balance, harmony, and proportion in composition. Artists often sought to depict idealized form and subjects, drawing from mythology, history, and classical literature. They favored clear, precise line and focused on achieving a sense of order and beauty in their work. Musical literature and drama also played a significant role in classicism. Writers aimed to emulate the works of ancient Greek and Roman authors, such as Homer, Virgil, and Sophocles. They valued clarity, reason, and restraint in their writings, often employing formal structure and adhering to strict rules of composition. Classicism extended beyond the arts and into philosophy, architecture, and other areas of intellectual inquiry. It promoted the value of reason, logic, and rationality, often placing an emphasis on the study of nature and natural world. Classicist thinkers sought to find universal truth and principles that could be applied to various aspects of human existence. While classicism reached its peak during the 17th and 18th centuries, its influence can still be seen in various forms today. Many government buildings, museums, and cultural institutions incorporate classical architectural elements, and ideals of balance, order, and reason continue to shape artistic and intellectual discourse.